And I want to ask you the question. Today, there are about 14 million Arabs who are Coptic Christians, who are Christians since generations. I'm asking the question, which translation of the Quran will you give to these 14 million Coptic Arab Christians? Do you want to translate the Arabic Quran into Arabic again? You'll have to give the original text to these Christian Arabs who understand Arabic as a language. Arabic is a mother tongue. Which translation will you give? Will you give the Urdu translation? Will you give the English translation? You have to give the original kalam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Arabic. That's the reason I personally prefer, along with the translation, give the original Arabic text. And the Quran was revealed for the whole of humankind, and the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was sent as a messenger to the whole of humankind.